Hey there! Girl in a grey shirt. Yes, you.
Me?
Up for a challenge? Can you explore SP using just these riddles?
But I'm not good at it.
Lights, cameras, and a touch of your art.
Wait, are we talking media, arts, design?
See your future through different lenses.
Wow, I can see so clearly now.
And just like that, your world opens up.
Wait, is that a photo booth?
Stay focused. You've got riddles to solve.
Oops, that was too much fun. Time to lock in.
Here, you might see metal birds that glide up high.
Hold up, you mean the planes? Are we flying now?
Command the seas and navigate the tides.
This looks exactly like the actual thing. Let's speed this up. Oh, it's a top. Wow, so many people. Wow, I didn't think it was possible to get to know all of SP in just one day.
Of course, it's so possible here at SP.